Let's start with the hard truth. If you're learning to code with the traditional mindset, you're being lied to. The old school advice of learning syntax to get your first job, it's outdated and it's setting you up for failure. In my previous video, The Great Decoupling, I warned you that the economy no longer rewards labor, it rewards leverage. If you missed that, go watch it later. But for now, understand this. Boot camps teach you how to be a bricklayer, but the market wants architects. So put down the textbook, pick up the sovereign stack. But a warning, this doesn't mean you can be illiterate. You don't need to write syntax, but you must learn to read it. If you can't audit the AI's work, you aren't a sovereign. You're a passenger. First, the brain. Stop struggling with complex algorithms. Your job isn't to write the logic, it is to audit it. For this, we use Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It is currently the highest IQ coder on the planet. Use it to plan your system architecture before you write a single line of code. Next, the hands. Stop using VS Code. That is a text editor. You need an AI editor like Cursor or Windsurf. These tools index your entire code base. You don't type code anymore. You hit tab and let the AI write the implementation. It's like having a senior engineer pair programming with you 24/7. Front-end fatigue is real. CSS is a nightmare. Stop writing it. For the interface, we use V0 or Bolt.new. You simply describe the component you want, and it generates production-ready code instantly. You handle the aesthetic, the AI handles the div tags. Finally, the glue. In the past, deployment took a week. Now, with Replit or Supabase, it takes one click. But remember, these tools are not magic buttons. AI writes the code, but you must design the connection. You still need to understand how the pieces fit together. The future of tech isn't about writing code. It's about creating solutions. Master this stack and you become a one-person unicorn. Yes, these tools cost money, but don't look at it as a cost. Look at it as the salary of the 5 employees you didn't have to hire. But having the tools is worthless if you don't understand the economy. If you haven't watched The Great Decoupling yet, click here now. It explains exactly why the system is rigged against you. Now you have the tools. In the next episode, we talk money, how to turn this stack into a business. Subscribe so you don't miss it.